Here at Precision, we strive to be the best of the best in the garage door industry. With any kind of industry in garage doors, there are a plethora of quality levels that you can get for parts. We only carry the best. So right now we're standing in our main warehouse. This is where all the magic happens.
The way I like to try and explain a garage door is it's very similar to your car. After X amount of years and miles of driving your car, things start to go bad. It's very similar to a garage door. The wheels start to get loose, the bearings start to go bad. You might break a spring, or it might end up getting really heavy to where the door is putting way too much pressure on the motor that you have lifting the door, because that motor is roughly about as strong as the garbage disposal in your kitchen. Same thing with your cables. Your cables run up and down the side of the door that attaches to that spring tube above the door. Those can start to get twisted at the bottom or even start to fray, and if one of those breaks, your door is going to end up sideways. You're going to have a massive opening into your house with no way of closing it or even opening it.
In South Florida, we have our heavy hurricane doors. They require a lot more spring to pick up all that weight. And most other technicians in other areas in the country will never see springs as large as we handle on a daily basis. It truly is a different animal. We also have a powder coating on all of our springs that will repel all that Florida humidity. And it does get in there. The rollers we carry, the wheels for your garage door, also have sealed bearings. Keeps out that humidity to prolong their life.
We do a full inspection of the door. We can replace parts. We have nylon rollers. We have proprietary springs to us, so you can't actually get our springs anywhere else on the market. Toot toot. I mean, we have got a lot of different options that we can do.
Fast, friendly, and professional. That's Precision Garage Door Service.